build a team, build the right team. That's the biggest thing I've learned as an entrepreneur. Teamwork, collaborations, collective.
What lessons have you learned as an entrepreneur? Maybe 30 seconds or less.
Build a team, build the right team. Don't try to do everything yourself. We'd be willing to give up, small points and percentages here. People, at the end of the day, people just want to feel a part of something. Like, I know a big apprehension that a lot of people have is, oh, well, it's so many people, I don't want nobody to steal my, it's not about stealing. Like stop thinking like that,
Yeah.
Just say, hey, do you have to own 100% of nothing? Or very little, versus putting people that love doing what they do, ask them to help you do what they do. Don't try to take them out of their role. They keep doing what they do best. And say, hey, listen, I need you to help. I need your help in this. I don't do what you do. I need what you do. How much is it going to take for you to do what you do for us? Build the right team. That's the biggest thing I've learned as an entrepreneur. Teamwork, collaborations, collective.
Find the right people, find the right talent.
Right.
Like if you got 10 people you just interviewed and 9 of them don't fit your school of thought, it's better to just take your losses and keep interviewing until you get that right person.
Exactly. Take that one.
Yeah.
And work from there.
You work from there. Yeah.
Keep adding on. Right.